So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. I'm kind of opening up my accordion a little bit. I'm just going to pour it in, kind of section by section here.
Welcome to a space where healthy food not only makes you feel good, it warms your heart and soul with love. Learn how to turn local organic produce into mouth-watering meals that nourish your body and soul. This is the art of cooking from the heart.
So with this one potato soup recipe, which is in front of you, we're going to make 3 different cook recipes.
And now Chef Dave is going to walk us through how to turn these amazing soups into more variations. Our first is the Lentil Dal variation that we can make from the Papa's potato soup. In order to look at the Papa's potato soup, you can find the recipe right here on your portal. To take that soup and turn it into this Lentil Dal variation, all you need to do is add 2 sweet red peppers, diced medium, 1 knuckle of minced ginger, 1 jalapeno pepper, seeded and diced fine, 2 cups of cooked lentils, 3 tablespoons of garam masala, and 3 teaspoons of ground cumin seed.
Okay, what we have here is the exact same soup that we just tried, and we're going to adjust it a little bit. We're going to turn this into lentil dal, and we're going to do that Now we're only making a small amount, so I'm only going to put a half of one in. I'm cutting it really thin. So tiny slices. Little heat. Little garam masala.
Taking the same soup base and adding...
This is potato soup, I'm just adding a few things to it. I'm not taking anything out.
Masala
A little bit of cumin. The garam masala and cumin want to be about equal. We definitely want to be about equal. And there's already salt and pepper in there. I cooked up the lentils earlier. Say it again?
What type of...
These are red lentils. They don't look red anymore, but they are. Thank you, Nicole. You're the best. I like it. Ready? This is something we did for Thanksgiving. It was so much fun. People really enjoyed these. Have you all seen Hasselback potatoes?
Yes.
Have you made them?
Yeah, I did. I tried.
Have you done Hasselback Sweet Potatoes?
But I got to.
So I hadn't either, but I made it for Thanksgiving. It worked out really well. I might have made it up. I've never seen it before, but you kind of cut them so you get this kind of accordion there.
And the chopsticks are to keep you from cutting all the way through?
Exactly. You don't have to use chopsticks, they're just round. You can use the ends of your knives, or you can use other items. But one of the things I like about these is these aren't round chopsticks, they're square, and so they kind of keep the potato from rolling too. So they serve a dual purpose.
So what is the sauce?
The sauce is super simple. It's just cinnamon and coconut oil and coconut sugar. Now, if you're a masculine cooker, you're going to go out and buy those 3 things. But if you get home and you want to make these and say, oh, doggone it, I don't have coconut sugar, but I've got maple syrup, then you're going to say, okay, well, that's a nice substitute. I can do that. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. I'm kind of opening up my accordion a little bit. I'm just going to pour it in, kind of section by section here. We're just going to pop this in the oven. So you know the baked potato is going to go about 30 minutes or so.
The Hasselback.
Now Chef Dave is going to show us how to turn either the fall stew or that Papa's potato soup into a warm, rich Manhattan clam chowder. In order to do this variation, all it takes is to add 3 cups of chopped oyster or shiitake mushrooms, 4 tablespoons of dried thyme, 1 nori sheet, or if you're using the fall stew recipe, you may not even need that nori sheet. It depends on your taste. 3 chopped tomatoes and 1/2 cup of tomato paste to your soup. If you're blending that nori sheet, take a moment to add 4 cups of your stew or soup base with the nori sheet, mix it in together, and then add that all back into the soup to get that warm, rich taste of that Manhattan clam chowder.
Leaving it for development.
She said that to me all the time. I invite her to these parties. You're the best.
What a good chef, sous chef.
She's the best. So what you got? That's great.
And why add more water?
You just got a little too thick.
Okay. Perfect.
The tomato, the blended product that I put in there, all the spices. Flavor's good though. And it's got amazing lion's mane as well. Oh,
Are you?
you're fired. Oh, more soup for you. I have these extra sweet potatoes here. I'm thinking, why don't I just roast them real quick and show you how quickly we can just make a really nice, delicious sort of side dish. All right?
Nice.
Just gonna put a little coconut oil in the bowl. And that way I can coat it really easily. None so far. I think it's the deal inside of these. Yep, there is a point where
So coconut oil, salt, pepper.
when you put these on a pan, you want to kind of make sure that they're not touching, if you can do it that way. That way they'll brown nicer.